Nanababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Korean Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Hey, for this vlog guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we were invited by this newly reopened Korean restaurant. Let me give you a sneak peek. Ayan, that's where we're gonna eat today guys. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go!
Before natin tikman yung mga meat natin dito sa Forest BBQ, introduce muna natin yung mga side dishes nila. They have 15 side dishes dito, mainly on our table. So meron tayo ditong macaroni salad, cabbage salad, seasoned leeks, cucumber cold soup, pickled radish, miso soup, steamed egg roll, marbled potato, pan-fried tofu, fried mandu, tteokbokki, fish cake, and yung kanilang sticky anchovy. So introduce din naman yung kanilang mga meat. Meron tayong pork and beef. Sa mga flavors naman nila, they have soy, meron tayong sweet and spicy, and syempre yung plain.
Finally, Mark, dishes are done and papasalamat muna tayo sa mga tumulong sa atin dito. So, good job po sa inyo. Ako initially, as soon as I enter, para siyang cathedral. And then you can actually feel na talaga nasa forest ka kasi yung mga kuliglig, yung mga huli ng ibon.
Nakapalibot siya ng mga puno. So hindi mo damo yung init and napaka-presko dito. Feeling ko mas presko dito tuwing gabi.
Alright, so let's dig in. Tingnan na natin yung mga pagkain nila. Let's go! So this is it. This is the final dish.
Yes, yung dessert nila.
Yung dessert actually. And what interesting about this, hindi lang siya normal sundae.
Actually, they call it boba sundae.
Boba sundae. So notice guys, meron tayong mga pearls. So parang nag-ano ka na rin, milk tea.
Yes, and this is part of their unlimited.
Part of the unlimited. So as long as you're staying here and you wanna eat, yan. So pwede tayo dito. Speaking of staying, bro, let's talk about business information.
Yes.
Yan.
Forest BBQ is located dito sa may Concession Road, Pampang, Angeles City. So ang pinaka-landmark naman is yung Forest Park.
Open po sila 4 p.m. up until 11 p.m. soon.
Yes.
When they're gonna serve lunchtime, mga ganyan. So check out their fan page po. I think they're gonna be open from 11 to 11 na. So longer operational window for us to enjoy. So we're gonna be here lunch or even up until late dinner.
Yes.
Different kind of experience, a different kind of ambience. So yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Another place for you to check out, this is Forest BBQ.
And so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.